Hello guys, in this video we will show you how to fix the internal system error that occurs while installing DirectX on Windows. We will share the full process step by step to resolve the DXError and DirectX.log issues. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. First, we need to make sure your system has the required Windows features enabled. Go to your Windows search bar, type in Windows Features, and click on the option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. When the small window opens, look at the very top of the list and make sure both of the .NET Framework boxes are completely checked. Then click OK. If Windows prompts you to download and install these features, simply select the Windows Update option and wait for the installation process to finish before closing the window and restarting your computer. After your computer restarts, the next step is to check your Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Open your control panel and navigate to Programs and Features to see your installed software. If you already see Microsoft Visual C++ on the list, simply right-click it, select Change, and then perform a quick repair. However, if it is completely missing from your system, open your web browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ Download, and go to the official Microsoft webpage. Scroll down to find the 32-bit or 64-bit version, depending on your system architecture, and download and install the correct file for your machine. Now that your system components are fully updated, we can safely install DirectX. Open your browser again, or click the download link provided in our video description and search for the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer on the official Microsoft website. Choose your preferred language, download the file, and once it finishes, right-click the setup file to run it as an administrator. When the installer opens, accept the license agreement and click Next, but be sure to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar since we do not need that extra software. Click Next again to initialize the download and let the components install successfully without any errors. If you are still somehow encountering an error during this installation, there is one final fallback method you can try. Right-click over your downloaded DirectX setup file and go to its properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab, check the box to run the program in compatibility mode, and try selecting different older Windows versions from the drop-down menu until the setup runs completely error-free. Once the installation is finally complete, click Finish and restart your computer one last time to apply all the changes. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.